Okay, so we're going to click on new course and I'm going to put how to build apps with React Native. Then we're going to click on next. Then we're going to put React Native because that's what we want to use to learn. Then we're going to select skill development, of course. Then United States. Then we'll fill in all this. So once you're done, you want to learn with videos and text. So click on create topics. As you can see, it has created the topics for us to learn React Native. So we're going to select the subtopics of what we particularly want to learn in React Native. So as you can see, we're selecting all the subtopics here. Then once we're done selecting the subtopics, we're going to click on the continue button. Then it's going to generate the course for you with videos for you to learn. And yeah, so as you can see here, we're learning core components and it's giving this video on core components in React Native. And here's the text explaining what it is that you can follow along. If you look at the sidebar here, you can also see the other subtopics under the particular topic. Look at layout with flexbox. As you can see, want to learn about this, you can scroll. There's also the quiz feature, which I'm going to show you now. You can quiz yourself on this particular topic. So as you can see, yeah, let's take the quiz. So yeah, that's a basic overview of what Learnrithm can do. It can teach you any single thing you want to learn, gives you topics and subtopics for you to follow, and yeah, that's what Learnrithm can do. Okay, so let's head over and create a new quiz. Yeah, so we hit the create quiz button, and yeah, so we want to prepare for our GCSE exam, English exams to be precise. And yeah, let's look at past questions from the 2024 session. So let's pick 2024 and English. Yeah, so click on generate quiz, and yeah, so yeah, I want to prepare for that. So click on send it. I want it to be 30 seconds per question. We just need 3 questions. So yeah, as you can see, it asked us what does the term inference mean. So let's just pick a wrong answer, and if you scroll down, it will give you the explanation of the correct answer. And if you click on the video, you can see it gives us a video explaining the correct answer, which was inference. Yeah, so let's go back and just look at what we just did now. So like, as you can see, it asks us in the contents of GTN, what does inference mean? I will fill the question. But as we fill the question, we get a video explaining the correct answer. So it doesn't just tell you the correct answer, it gives you video relating to it. So let's pick the correct answer in this next question. And as you can see, for every good questions we get an XP point. And yeah, so it also gives us the explanation of the answer, and we don't get a video because we got the question right. So let's go over to the next question, and let's just pick a wrong answer, and it does the same thing. It gives you the explanation and gives you the video. And as you can see here, it gives us how many XP we got, how many coins we got, our performance, which is 33%, which is actually bad. And if you go to the detailed section, we can see we actually got an F. So this tool is more of like an exam prep tool. You can use it to prepare yourself for exams.